Tools preparation. Build wire, neutral wire, live wire connection. Attention! 1. The machine must be grounded. To dot power cord requirements. Wire diameter 2.5 square millimeters to 4 square millimeters. 3. According to the instructions, ensure that the neutral wire, live wire, build wire are properly connected. 4. Dot power cord needs to pass through the glue plug. Installation position mark. To dot after drilling holes in the mark position, fix the machine. Warning: please use the attached metal expansion bolts. 1. The filter should be installed at the inlet of the machine. 2. The filter can reduce the machine failure rate. Shower bracket installation. Front housing assembly installation. After the front housing assembly is fixed, tighten the screws. Open the filter to the max. Check whether the shower has continuous water flow out. Check whether the pipeline is leaking. Connect air switch. Dedicated air switch is greater than or equal to 3 to 8. Debug the machine. Warning: when using at home, you must ensure that the washer and electricity are normal before you use it. Run washer and then power. Remind user of the wall damage unit if there is no washer when heating. Setting temperature, current temperature. PUMP displays according to the actual state. ELCB, leakage protection. Light on, normal state. Light blink, leakage of electricity, danger. Shockproof grounding indicator light. Light off, normal state. Grounded, light on, no grounded, danger. Turn off the power and contact after sales professionals. Press test button to test electricity leakage. ELCB light blink, function normal. Press reset button to reset ELCB function. ELCB light on, normal state. Light blink, leakage of electricity, danger. NTC temperature sensor for more accurate temperature. Warning: before repairs, maintenance, cleaning, and inspection, you must cut off the power. Take care of the leakage of water. The water pressure is normal, but the water flow is too small. Do not heat, 3. The filter is blocked. Solution: clean the filter. Reinstall the filter. Problem 1. The current temperature setting is too low. Solution: increase the temperature set. Problem 2. Water flow pressure is too high. Solution: adjust water flow pressure. Unstable tap water pressure. Water flow fluctuates. Solution: wait until the water flow is stable or use a booster pump. Control board failure. Solution: contact after-sales personnel to check. The water outlet inlet switch is not all turned on. Solution: turn the water outlet inlet switch larger. Problem: multi-channel water supply at the same time. Solution: 1. Turn off multi-channel water supply. 2. Use only single-channel water supply. Problem: filter is blocked. Solution: clean it on time. Problem 4. Poor pipeline sealing. Solution: 1. Tighten, replace the sealing ring. 2. Still unresolved, please contact after-sales professionals.